Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer student aid with Texas A&M University detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the transfer process for student aid with Texas A&M University, first, confirm your eligibility for the transfer. Check that you are a current student receiving financial aid. Contact the financial aid office at both your current institution and Texas A&M for guidance. Request a copy of your financial aid package from your current school. Prepare to gather all necessary documentation, including your FAFSA information. Complete the free application for federal student aid for the academic year you plan to transfer. Ensure you list Texas A&M University as a school to receive your FAFSA information. After submitting the FAFSA, track its processing status via the FAFSA website. Once your FAFSA is processed, check your student email for any communications from Texas A&M's financial aid office. Log into your Howdy account to monitor your financial aid status and notifications. Submit any requested documents or information promptly to avoid delays. Review the financial aid options available at Texas A&M University, such as grants, loans, and scholarships. Meet with a financial aid advisor at Texas A&M to discuss your specific situation. After your financial aid is determined, carefully review your award letter for accuracy. Accept or decline the offered aid through your Howdy account. If accepting loans, complete any required entrance counseling or loan agreements. Attend any financial aid orientation sessions provided by Texas A&M for additional guidance. Finally, keep an eye on deadlines for final decisions and additional requirements throughout the enrollment process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.